Hello guys, welcome to this podcast Design Your Life. My name is Severin Micha. I'm a designer and entrepreneur. I'm gonna talk about design, skills and investment. Let's get started. Today, let's talk about the foreign languages. In this session, I want to share you my methods to improve my English writing, listening, speaking and understanding. I don't know which level of language you have, but if you need motivation to start and maybe you want to reach the next level, you are in the good place. There are so many interesting methods, tutorials, lessons, podcasts on YouTube. Maybe you are lost and you don't find the good methods and tools you need. My opinion, I think there's no magic methods to learn foreign language. It's a marathon, not a run, and you need all your time to progress. Before, I tried different methods to improve my English. For example, with books, I try to understand. I listened to podcasts and CD every evening, and I have English lesson on Wednesday after school. After a few times, I gave up because I blamed myself because I had a bad accent and I didn't understand much English. But long time after, I need to speak English for my personal projects and to start my career. At the time, I realized learn more than one language has a privilege. So I started to learn and practice more and more by myself. With different tools I discover every single day. The process could be long for you, but if you have fun and do this every single day, you could have quick, interesting results. The method is simply you just have to buy a book with a good topic you like. Everything is possible. Maybe you like to cook, to paint, to play the piano, to do sport, to dance, to travel abroad. Maybe you like history, maybe you like math and science, maybe you love technology and innovations. Maybe you are very curious about everything and you love to do it yourself. Maybe you like to learn languages, maybe you like animals, etc. So, if you change your habits and you decide to practice writing with a good book you love in the foreign language you want to learn, I assure you, do it just 10 minutes a day, and if you have more time, maybe a quarter. Because small habits you do every single day are more power than if you just practice once, twice, a week per year. I love to explain how your brain works with neuroscience. We have different forms of memories we use in different contexts. We need quick informations for quick actions, and sometimes we forget something or we don't remember about these experiences, emotions, actions, people, and memories. In fact, we use 4 general types of memories: working memory, sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Everything depends on the context. When you learn a foreign language, your brain makes new connection between your synapses. It's a magic system. Everywhere, every time, and with every people in different contexts, your brain could make 1,000 million of connections. It's very fantastic. In fact, your brain works like a hard drive. It stores all informations, experience, and actions and habits with input. So, if you understand your brain process, then it will be easier for you to work with him. Writing is very good exercise to practice because it improves your patience and focusing. Don't worry if you duped or if you don't understand all words and phrases you have right. You can check it in the dictionary if you don't know about the sense and meaning. Writing will improve your skills, speaking, reading, writing, and understanding. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions about your language learning, you can comment below. So, believe in you and be patient. Bye!